Ooh. Like that. Good. Alright, this is going to just help let the blood flow a little bit. I'm going to try to loosen this up. Alright, because your shoulders are tight. Cool. Okay, and then I'm going to come on this side. A little tight in there, huh? Yeah. Okay, bring your arm down and stretch. I'm going to bring your head to the left a little bit just to stretch out this muscle. Your nose might get a little itchy. Alright, it's alright. We need that scratch. And I want you to look down. I'm going to stretch a little bit deeper. This is how you can use this at home, okay? Same way that I'm doing now. Okay, look straight ahead. Here. Just going to warm this up. Okay, I'm going to come right inside here. So when your husband does this, do you do this to him afterwards?
No.
That's not fair. That's not fair at all. Oh my goodness.
He's not in pain.
Well, still, it feels good. Relax your arm. And your head to the right. Just like that. He's not in pain. Okay, that's fair. Too strong or are we okay?
No, we're good.
Good, good, good. Alright, look straight down. Just going to come in here now. Okay, look straight ahead. Just relax. Nice. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. One more. Almost like nothing. Just kind of loosens up the spine a little bit before I adjust it. Okay, look straight ahead. Okay, I'm going to take your shoulder now. We're going to bring our shoulder back. This is going to help loosen up your shoulder joints. Good, come right back to the front. Let's take the other side, same way. Oh, a little tighter on this side. Yeah, what's up? Okay. Good, come right back over here. Okay. Okay, put your hand like that for a second. This does not hurt. Alright, we're going to do a little bit of that right inside here. I'm going to turn left, turn left. It's like chiseling away the body a little bit. So just going to just gently move. Okay, look straight ahead. Good. No pain, right?
No.
Good. This will make sense in a minute to you. Yeah, I know right now you're like, wait, doctor, he's hitting me with this hammer. What's going on with this guy? Okay. Turn your head this way. Hold there for a second, nice and easy. Turn a little bit more, your head. Good. Good. Okay, look straight, please. Look straight. Good. And just relax your shoulders. Okay, just going to open your shoulder a little bit. Okay, great. Let's take this arm and go like that for a second. What I want you to do is I want you to take your elbow and pull it back. Can you do that? And relax. Let's try the other side. All right? Hold on a second. Relax. Pull it back. That was it. That was it. Did you hear that?
I heard that.
Good, good. So there goes is that your cat? Some people bring their dogs. All right, so we're going to take your arm for a second, and I just want you to bring it like this, and now relax it for a second, right? Because this side's a little tight, it didn't want to move. So just let it drop, side down, nice and easy. No, just let it go. I'm going to just let it come in. No, just let it go. Just relax, breathe easy. I'm going to come in like this. Good, perfect. Let's try the other side. This one already moved, and just did it again. So just relax, nice and easy. I'm just going to bring it in a little bit. Good. Come back here. Perfect. Let's stretch your arms back for a second. Nice and easy. Just like open up the joints. Very good. Very good. That gets rid of those rounded shoulders. Seriously. Yeah. Let it try. Let your shoulder relax. Good. And then here, you move your wrist. And we're going to move your fingers. You just crack your fingers. Okay. Good. And just relax. Elbow. Good. And just let it relax. Easy. Nice. Okay. Good. Excellent. Now let's take this leg, put it on the other side, sit facing that way. You do that? So just swing your leg over.
What?
Yeah, swing your leg over. Move up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Cross our arm here. We can do a little twist. Cross our arm here and cross your arm here. Hold on a second. I just want to see where you're tight. Right in there. So we're going to do a twist. So I want you to breathe in, breathe out. Just going to twist left, like that. Relax. Okay, that's all we're going to do. Let's put this one on the other side. Upper back is really tight. Breathe in again real deep. Real deep. All the way out. Let's twist right. That's it. Drop your arms. Drop your arms. That was good. That was good. Okay. Yes, yes, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus is our Savior. Jesus is our Savior. He's our salvation. You know that. All right. How are we doing? Okay? All right, cool. So we're going to cross our arms for a second. Now what I want to do is we're going to do adjust here, and then we're going to do here next. So I want you to bring your head down, and I'm going to arch it back a little bit. Okay? And this time I'm going to lean you back. All right? When you breathe in, I'm going to have you lean back. Keep your head tucked like that, all right? So breathe in deep. Breathe out. Let's lean back. Keep your head tucked like that. Nice and easy. Good. Come back up. Awesome. One more time. Breathe in. All the way out. You're going to lean back. Breathe out. Breathe out. Let it go. Come back up. Perfect. Relax your hands. Good. Good. Wow.
Wow.
How'd that go? Pretty good? You ever feel that before? Really? All right. All right. Good. Well, oh, you said you went to a chiropractor? You didn't go to a chiropractor?
No, I've never been.
Oh, so you never had that done before? Oh. How's that feel? How do you describe that?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Crunchy? Crunchy. Okay. All right. All right. So I want you to stand up for a second. Just come stand up for a second. All right. And now from this position, we're gonna lay down on your side with your head here. Lay on your side facing this window. Okay. Can you do that? So just lay down on your side. Rest your head like you're acostado, right? Okay. Cool. I'm gonna turn you a little bit here, just like that. Let me slide you down just a drop. Cool. Just so your shoulder doesn't hit this pad. That's fine like that. Okay. We're gonna bend this leg. Like that, like that. This is going to come down here. But relax it. You're not going to do a karate kick on me, I promise. All right? Don't do any karate. All right. You're going to feel like you're going to fall off? You won't. You won't, okay?
Right.
Yeah. I want to rotate your body over like this. Hold on. Like that. That's what I want to do. I'm going to bring you over. All right. See that? That was my brother. All right. So I'm going to bring you down like this. You won't fall. I'm going to stretch out your lower back a little bit, okay? Like this. You feel, no, just let it go. Just let it roll forward a little bit, okay? And I want you to breathe in deep for me if you can. Breathe in. And just breathe all the way out. And let your hips roll forward a little bit more. A little more. That's it. Just a little movement in there. Is that okay?
Right.
Good. Let's go to the other side. Let's go to the other side. Nice and easy.
I was thinking my God, like that.
I'm going to move you a little closer, okay? Yeah. But you won't fall off, I promise. Okay? Now this time, now that you trust me, let your hips just kind of roll forward. Nice. Just like that. That's it. This will be a bigger movement, so I want you to breathe in deep. Breathe all the way out. Let it go. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So let's go boca abajo, face down now, okay? Okay, we'll bring this down. And rest your head right there. Good. How are you doing, Elda? Talk to me.
You're doing good. I feel like an old lady.
Ay, una viejita.
Sí.
What do you mean?
I'm getting repaired.
Oh my goodness. Esa viejita. That's so funny. Okay, I'm going to do a little massage on your lower back first, just to warm up the muscles again. Okay. You're gonna feel this. If it tickles too much, you let me know, okay? Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Good, good, good. Okay, I'm gonna go into the glute for a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go back up. Can move on the other side. Good job. I'm going to go on the glute. Okay. Okay, I'm going to go right back inside here a little bit also. A little stronger this time. Too strong?
No, that's fine.
Good. Good. Very good. Okay, we're going to do a little tapping on your hips and your pelvis because they're a little uneven. Like that, okay? It's not going to hurt. All right? Just loosening up these hip joints. Okay, I'm going to go right in the bottom of the pelvis also, all right? It's not going to hurt. Good. And let's raise this leg one more time. Going to stretch inside here. Good. Fantastic, Mom. Let's come back down. Awesome. Just relax easy. Good. I'm going to go right at the bottom of the pelvis. Awesome. Let's raise the leg a little more. Come back up. Stretch it up. Perfect. Come right back down. Nice and easy. Good. Okay, we're going to do some tapping on the spine. I'm surprised your husband didn't warn you about the adjustments. I'm shocked.
I told him I didn't want to hear it.
Oh, you didn't want to hear it.
No.
You didn't want the advice before you came.
No.
Okay, that's cool. Keep it a surprise. Perfect. Okay, that wasn't too bad.
No, that was not bad.
All right, so you're going to feel this table go up and down, okay? That's what you're going to feel. It's not going to hurt. Just going to do a gentle adjustment in the hips. Just like that. Lower back. And the right side. One more time. Good. I want you to breathe in really deep. Breathe all the way out. Breathe out. Relax your shoulders. Good. 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 Excellent. Okay. I want you to come and lay down, book out here. Face up, please. On your back. All right. I got you. And I want you to keep your hands like that, right here, and bend your knees. Bend your knees, like that. Okay. So what I want you to do is I'm going to separate. You squeeze together. Squeeze, squeeze. There we go. And separate. Separate. Good. That's a lot of strength. Come right back down here. That's good. Good. Just feel that movement inside there? A little crack in there? Yeah, with your pelvis. So just relax here. Good. Let this drop down to the side. We're just going to stretch here. Just like this. Good. Good. And relax here. Okay, we're going to come up like this and stretch. Ooh, good stretch. Stretch out the hamstring muscle. Okay, then we're going to bend it. This goes off the table. off the table, like that. Stretch out the flexor, hip flexor. Good. Come back up. Okay, and just relax here. I'm going to adjust your ankle also. Just a little ankle. Just let it relax a little bit. Good. Just like that. Just like that. Here we go. Let's check the other side. Why are you giggling? What's going on? Okay.
Nothing.
Okay. Is that good, bad? I don't know.
No, that's good.
Okay, that's good? Okay, good, good, good. All right, I'll just keep working. I'm going to make a circle. Good. Bring it down. I'm going to stretch out the hip a little bit. Very good. Now come over here. Stretch out the back of the leg, the hamstring. Good. And stretch out your hip flexors. Bring this off the table. Stretch. Good. Come back up. Right here. Going to open up your ankle joint again. Just right inside here. Nice and easy. We'll go very, very easy. Nice and light. Just let it go. Easy. Good. Wow. Wow. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to bring it down a little bit. Just swing it down. Bring your legs right here. Just like that. Okay, and relax your legs. Just let it drop. Easy. We're going to do some decompression. Good, just like that. Good. Bring your head down. Nice and easy. Hold on, I got a core here. Lift it again. Sorry. Here we go. Come right back down. And relax right there. Good. Okay, so we're going to do a little stretch inside here first, just a little bit of traction. You're going to feel it just kind of open up the joints inside there. You feel that opening up? Good, and relax. You feel the difference? Yeah? Good, I'm going to open up just again, like that. Good, takes the pressure off, right? And then I'm going to relax, okay?
It feels good.
Yeah, right? I'm just going to open it up again. And then I'm going to relax again. And you can do this at home with a towel, right? If your husband wants to do this, right? And relax. One time. And this time I'm going to do a little pull inside there. So I'm going to breathe in really deep. And just kind of let it all the way out. Just let it go. Like that. Good. Good. Just relax. Easy.
Jesus Christ.
Easy. Keep breathing. Good. Slide up a little bit more. Perfect. Stay there. How are we doing? You ever feel that before?
You caught me there.
I caught you there?
Yes, you did.
All right. Did you feel any movement in there?
Yes.
You did? Okay. How far did it go down, or was it just in the neck? You don't know? Okay, good. Good, 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 good. Okay, we're going to finish up, all right? Okay. Come up a little bit more. I see. Perfect, perfect. And I want you to relax. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Okay, so this time what I want you to do is I want you to really just focus on breathing. Just nice and easy. Because if you hold your breath, you'll tighten everything up. Okay? So just keep your eyes closed. Focus on your breathing. That's what I want you to do. I'm going to do a little stretch, and I'm going to do a little push inside here. So I'm just going to stretch here for a minute and open up like that. Take a minute. Me mato. Okay. All right. All right. Can we do the other side? All right. Let's do one more. Last one. Last one. You just focus on breathing nice and easy. Nice and easy. Good. I'm going to put a little stretch. No, go easy. Good. We're going to stretch. We're going to push in that direction. That's all we're going to do. So just relax. No, let it drop easy. You're not breathing. We're going to breathe easy. Let me just, we're gonna go slow, real slow. All right, no rush. Right in there. Let it go. Come back here. Take a minute. How we doing?
Me mato.
Hey, okay, that's all right. A lot of people used to call me Doctor Assassino. I used to adjust this old lady. She used to say, every time I adjust, Assassino criminal. I'm like, what are you doing? How's that feel? Good. All right. Okay, one last time I want you to breathe in deep.
Otra vez.
Yeah, just breathe in. No more adjustments, that's it. And breathe all the way out. And breathe out. Just relax. Good. Excellent. Bueno.